Hello guys, you are welcome back to my channel, and today I am here again to give you an educative piece that is going to help your performance on stage and also get a good sound. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, I have videos on how to use your Yamaha Motif Xf8, how to know some tricks, and how to master some effects, okay, and how to store your patches and also. So if you are new to the channel, you can go back to my videos and grab that. All right, so today's video is going to be very short. I am going to teach you how to apply single effects to each of your patches or your tones you've selected, okay. So to do that, let's get into the video. Let's go straight. So I have my patches here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. So we all know that when you want to play the piano, you want to take out some of the release out of it to make the piano sound good, okay. Something like this, to give it that kind of attack effect, like that kind of sound, okay. All right, so once you on your keyboard, okay, and you just go straight to taking out the release, note that it is going to affect all the tones on the keyboard or on the patch, okay. So I want you to observe this. You can see that the release is attacking all the tones I have assigned, okay, all the tones. You can see. So if you don't have a sustain pedal, even if you have a sustain pedal, once you take your leg off the sustain, the sound is going to be cutting off and on like that way. So what you want to do is, I want to single out each effect on the tones, okay. I want to take out the effect from all the tones so that I can apply it to a single tone, okay. So what I'll do is click on edit, okay. So once you click on edit, you can see the numbers 1, 2, 3 to 16, okay. The first one number, the 1, means your first patch, which is the piano. The second number is your second patch. The third is your second patch, and the 4. Note that you can only patch 4 tones, so you are eligible to use from 1 to 4. So you click on the 1. Once you click on the 1, you can see that the piano's sound or the piano's name has appeared. So I want to take out the release from only the piano. So what I do is I come to EG, which is F4. Click on F4. Once you click on F4, you can see release, you can see sustain, decay, attack, depth, you can see cutoff, you can see regs or whatever. You just take out the release. So let's say I take out the release to maybe 15, okay. So okay, once you decrease it, the more it attacks, okay. Once you decrease it, the more it attacks. So I place mine on 15. So now let's see something here. Let's watch something here. You can see there is still sustain in the pad. The pad is not cutting off. The pad is not cutting. The strings is also not cutting off. I've been able to apply this effect on just a single tone. So if I want to do same to the remaining tones, I just come on common edit. I go back, okay. Then click on 2. So the 2 is for your EP. If you want to take out the release from the EP, you click on EG. The same way you take it out, 15, okay. So my EP is on the 2, okay. If I want to do the same way for my pad, okay, I click on common edit to take me back, and I click on 3. So 3. For my pad, I don't want the pad to be cutting off. I want my pad to be under, so I can add a little release to it. This one, I'm not taking it off, I'm adding small to it. So let me add like 2 to it. So this is my pad is on the third fader. Okay, so you can see how it is sustaining itself just to create that kind of atmosphere. Okay, so I can add a little bit of piano to it. Now I've taken off the release from the piano, so it's not affecting the pad. Alright, so if I want to do the same for the strings, I come to common edit, click on the 4, add or decrease the strings. So when I decrease the release on the strings, look at how it's going to sound. You see, but when I add, let's say I add maybe 2 plus 2, you see it sustains a little bit, then it cuts off. So if you want to play any background something, you don't have to take or use direct when you're on the keyboard, then you just saw release here, then you just use the release here. It is going to affect all the tones. So to do that, to separate it, you just do what I have taught you. If you are new to the channel, please go back to my previous videos and you're going to get videos on how to store your name, how to store your tones, how to make your own patches on the Yamaha Motif Xf8. This is a very good keyboard to use. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, leave a comment. If this video was helpful, kindly share this video to your friends out there. KJ Keys, the young shall grow.